Everyone, welcome to this great YouTube channel today. In this video today, I am talking about Bitcoin's roller coaster ride, what it means for Picoin's future. Many people thought that Bitcoin just rose from $3 to 90 something dollar overnight. But that is not so. Bitcoin had it up and down. We want to look at this up and down that Bitcoin had before it now succeeded and became the baba of cryptocurrency, and then want to compare it with Picoin to see if Picoin stands a chance or if it does not stand a chance. The cryptocurrency market is known for its extreme volatility. It is more volatile than the forex market. It is more volatile than the stock market, with prices fluctuating dramatically over time. While Bitcoin is now the world's most valuable digital currency, it did not reach its current price overnight. It faced multiple downturns and bear markets before climbing to its all-time highs. Similarly, Picoin, which officially launched on February 2025, has been experiencing a downward trend in recent days, currently trading below $1. Many Pi network pioneers and investors are wondering what this means for the future of Picoin. In this video, I will compare the price history of Bitcoin to Picoin's current market movement and analyze whether Picoin could follow a similar trajectory. Did Bitcoin ever go through massive price crashes before reaching its highs? What lessons can we learn from Bitcoin's journey, and where is Picoin likely to be in the next few years? Let's dive in now. Now, the first thing I want to look at is Bitcoin's price history, a journey of boom and dust. A journey of boom and bust. Bitcoin was created in 2009, exactly 15 years ago, but it took years before it gained mainstream recognition. Here is a brief history of Bitcoin's price movements and downturns. The early years, that is 2009 to 2012, there was slow growth and the first crash of Bitcoin. Bitcoin had no official value in 2009, and it was traded informally between enthusiasts. That is in 2009. In 2010, BTC first gained monetary value when a programmer famously bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Now that is worth millions of dollars. In 2010, 2 pizzas, he bought it for 10,000 Bitcoin. By 2011, Bitcoin surged to $31, but it then crashed to $2, losing over 90% of its value. In 2013, there was boom and crash. What happened here? Bitcoin hit $1,000. Then it drops 80%. Bitcoin reached the $1,000 milestone for the first time in late 2013. Shortly after, Bitcoin plummeted to $200, marking an 80% drop in just months. Now, the next thing I want to look at is the 2017 bull run and 2018 crypto winter. What we see here is that Bitcoin skyrocketed to $20,000 in December 2017, driven by mainstream interest. In early 2018, Bitcoin crashed to $3,000, wiping out billions in value. In 2021, there was what is called the peak and shark correction. Bitcoin surged to a peak of $69,000 in 2021. By middle of 2022, it had dropped below $20,000, marking another major downturn. Now, there's a 2025 where we are now. Bitcoin reached $109,356 in early $350,000 in early 2025, but has since dropped significantly, with experts predicting further corrections. Some analysts also predict that the price was going to reach $200,000, especially after this recent halving of the Bitcoin. Now, let's look at Bitcoin's downward trends, normal or a red flag. The downward trend of Bitcoin, is it normal or is it supposed to be a red flag? Bitcoin has experienced multiple bear markets, but has always recovered and reached new highs. Key reasons for these fluctuations include: number one, market sentiment. Investor emotions and media hype significantly impact price movements. Then regulatory changes also. Government regulations have often triggered major sell-offs. Then we also have halving events. Bitcoin halving, which reduce mining rewards, have historically led to long-term price increases after an initial dip. Another thing that happened is the adoption of institutional investment. More businesses and investors adopting Bitcoin tend to push its price higher. Now, let's look at what we are comparing Bitcoin with, which is Picoin. So we want to look at Picoin's current situation, and the question is, what is happening? Since its launch on February 2025, Picoin has seen significant price fluctuations, much like Bitcoin did in its early days. Now, recent downtrend in Picoin has lost around 31% of its value in the last week, currently trading at $0.92. Future predictions for Picoin. Analysts forecast Picoin could rise to $3.54 by April 2025, just in 30 days time. That is a 226% increase from current levels. Then we also have the long-term outlook. Some projections estimate Picoin reaching 1,036 by the year 2030. That is just in 5 years' time. Now, what should Picoin holders do? Number one, don't panic. Market dips are normal, and even Bitcoin had major crashes before rising. Number two thing is that stay updated. Follow Pi Network's official updates and community news. Also come to this channel for more information and updates. Number three is that you have to have a long-term vision. Cryptocurrency success takes years. Patience is key. Then you have to evaluate utility. Picoin's price will depend on its real-world use cases and adoption. The question now is, will Picoin follow Bitcoin's path? While Bitcoin and Picoin are different in terms of technology and adoption, there are some similarities in their price journey. Before we go on, please like this video. Just click the like button below this video. Number one difference is early volatility. Or number one similarity is early volatility. Bitcoin had major crashes in its early years, just like Picoin is experiencing now. Then we also look at community-driven growth. Both projects, that is Bitcoin and Picoin, rely heavily on their user base for expansion. Then speculation versus utility. Bitcoin gained value as people started using it. Picoin's value or Picoin's future price will depend on its adoption as a functional cryptocurrency. However, one major difference is that Bitcoin has scarcity, having 21 million coins maximum, while Picoin's supply mechanism is different, which could affect its long-term price stability. Where will Picoin be in the future? That is the last question I want to answer in this video. Looking at Bitcoin's history, major price corrections are a normal part of cryptocurrency. Not just cryptocurrency, are a normal part of forex too, forex trading, and also a normal part of stock trading. But crypto is more liquid than them all. So if Bitcoin follows a similar trajectory, its price could experience short-term dips but may rise significantly in the coming years, especially if mass adoption and real-world utility increase. Now, if you're a pioneer and if you're an investor, the key here is patience, research, and strategic decision making, other than reaching to short-term price fluctuations. I see many people going out there to sell, and that is making the price to go down, The uptrend is coming. This is not financial advice. I expect you to take your own personal decision and to use this information to make a decision of your own. This YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. If you have enjoyed this video to this extent, like this video and subscribe to this channel, and then share the link of this video to your family and friends. You have questions or comments for me? The comment section of this video is where you should go and drop the comments that you have for me. Now, this is the next video you need to watch now, right from my channel. Go ahead and watch this video, and you will be glad that you did.